We have already studied garbage, especially the household garbage and commercial garbage. This aspect has been studied. In that, all the other things are also coming, like industrial waste, e-waste. All this we have studied in Italy, Austria, and Germany. And it took us around 10 days to go all these places, study, check the plants, final product, everything is ready, and we have already replicated this in my constituency, Kalangut. And I feel that these proposals have to be expedited. Now, Sonsodo, which is the issue in Margaon, Fatawada, that area, that thing has to be immediately handed over to Solid Waste Management Corporation, because this corporation is formed for one point agenda to make Goa garbage free. Bangini is already being handed over to us. That EIA is there, Environment Impact Assessment has been done, and now personal hearing is there, public hearing for all the residents of the 5 constituencies. So people should come and in one voice they should give a clearance to go ahead for this project. Same Kakora is coming up.
Correct.
So I think our government is serious on this issue. But right now you can see a lot of garbage all over the place. Most of the places garbage gets accumulated because it is not being collected. There are a few municipalities who are collecting, like Mapsa Municipal Council is collecting, but there is no treatment of garbage which is happening all over Goa, except for our plant.
Correct. Sir, do you think the government should seriously look into your point where you said, I'm ready to head the corporation, garbage corporation?
No, I am already the director of the corporation.
Correct.
Chief Minister is the head of the corporation. If Chief Minister thinks that he needs Michael Lobo to run that corporation, he can give it to me. I am ready to work 8 hours a day for this corporation. And likewise, I said earlier also that solid waste management should come under one of the ministries. It can come under urban development, it can come under chief ministership. Like this corporation meetings are being held after 3 months. I feel if the corporation have to work effectively, the meeting should happen every 20 days.
Okay.
If it is under a solid waste management is under a ministry, then it can the day-to-day affairs can be looked after. Like every day, a director will be there. There will be so many staff working. They will have every day report going to the particular department and to the CM or to the minister of that particular department. So right now there is nobody to oversee these departments. That is the only issue.
Third thing, taxi वाल्यांचे ते रेडी ना आणि टॅक्सी ते म्हणटा आमकां ॲप नाका तशें करपाक बंद करता.
Until and unless we understand that tourism industry is the only industry which is giving revenue to the state, economy of the people is on this industry, and we all are responsible as citizens of Goa, including the taxi owner, including a MLA, and including a businessman who is doing business in this coastal belt, and every house who is letting out rooms to the client. Everything is online now. So what is my request to the taxi owners? If not this Goa Mile, then they should come out. Immediate solution is the display of the rate which comes on the meter.
Okay.
On the whether it comes on a mobile or it comes on the display of the digital meter or whatever it is. But transparency is very important.
NGPDAचो चेअरमॅन आहात तुम्ही. शेतकरी संघान ते जमीन दिवचे ना म्हणून अशें म्हटलेलें आसा. सो तुमी कितें म्हणटा म्हापसा?
No, that is still in a preliminary stage. We had only identified the area for to set up that Mapsa downtown scheme, which is called Town and Country Planning Scheme. If the field owners are not interested, this project cannot go ahead.
Okay.
Because it is finally participation. We are not acquiring the land. It is participation of the field owner, Comunidad, field tenant, Comunidad, and the government, Town and Country Planning Department. That is Nagwa Planning and Development. We are not interested to force anyone.
Okay.
People want, then only this scheme can go ahead.